Want a behind-the-scenes look at some of the best culinary adventures around the world? As part of Food & Wine's Global Tastemakers Awards, we explore the best culinary experiences from cruises, airlines, airports, restaurants, bars, and many more. Today, we're at the legendary King Cole Bar at the St. Regis in New York City. Let's go check it out. First opened at this location in 1932, the Midtown Manhattan spot has long been a favorite among socialites and celebrities for its posh offerings and legendary service. The hotel recently wrapped a multi-million-dollar renovation that includes updates and upgrades to the King Cole Bar, including restoration of the iconic mural behind the bar.
It's a New York legend. It has been a very popular bar in New York culture since 1906 when it first opened. Of course, it was closed during Prohibition. As soon as Prohibition ended, it was opened here in the St. Regis, and it's been popular ever since.
It's also got a very close tie to the Bloody Mary. Can you tell me about that?
Yes. The bartender's name was Fernand Petiot. He was from Paris, and he worked here for 30 years. And the owner of the hotel, Vincent Astor, was quite a drinker. And one day he said, I need something, I'm not feeling too well. I said, I'll make something for you perfect. You know how the French are. And he concocted a tomato juice cocktail with vodka, and he added Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice. At first it was called the Bloody Mary, but at the time the hotel had a large English population. It's like, oh no, don't say bloody. So they named it the Red Snapper. What we offer now is a selection from all the various hotels around the world. For instance, in Texas, it is made half tequila, half vodka. It has Cajun spice and lime. In Washington, there is clam juice added to the mix and Old Bay spice. And it's served with gin.
Wonderful.
So those are the variations.
So let's try the New York version.
Now, of course, it starts with a vodka base and classic tomato juice, just plain tomato juice. Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, a pinch of white pepper, pinch of black pepper, some celery salt, and a dash of cayenne. The drink originally did not have Tabasco or horseradish. The heat was cayenne. And you give that a toss. And the drink originally was served just with a lemon wedge. No celery stalk. That came later. And that is the original classic Red Snapper.
That's the best.
Yeah, very simple, very subtle. It's not heavy.
So let's try the Rome version.
The rum version, we're using Grey Goose vodka. The same base spices. White pepper, black pepper, celery salt, cayenne, and in Rome, a little bit of oregano, a dash of olive oil. Shake that up. To finish it, we're gonna take some fresh basil, and you're just gonna twist it once and drop it into the drink. And it's also served with just lemon wedge, and that is the Red Admiral from Rome.
So the Red Admiral, that one definitely has more of a depth to it, and I think the basil gives it a nice pop.
It does, definitely.
Okay, so we tried the Bloody Mary. What else is the most popular?
The Manhattan has come back in a major way. Most people don't know the history of the Manhattan. It was invented for Winston Churchill's mother, and she didn't like the taste of whiskey. She said it's too harsh. So the bartender decided to add some sweet vermouth to it to soften it. And it was made with rye whiskey, not bourbon. Bourbon has a bold finish. Rye has a more subtle finish. It's filtered. And added to it is some Angostura bitters. And it's stirred with a classic spoon. Most people don't know how to use these. They're spired. And there's a reason for that. You rub your fingers back and forth, and the spoon is like a propeller inside the ice. Strained into the chilled glass and finished with some Luxardo cherries. These are the French cherries, and they're fermented in brandy and simple syrup. And that is the classic Manhattan.
That's wonderful. It's a good way to end the day. So the next time you're in New York, come visit Bill at the King Cole Bar. And if you'd like to learn more about the other Global Tastemaker winners, head to foodandwine.com. Cheers.